Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HONOR Magic8 Pro. In this video, let's try fixing fingerprint sensor not working on this device. So the best solution here will be to re-register your fingerprint, but before that, please make sure that your finger is clean and free from any dirt, oil, sweat, etc. So your finger should be clean and dry. Additionally, you can check your phone if it's clean in the area where your fingerprint sensor is. So look at it, and if not, then you have to clean it. So let's open settings and scroll down to section security and privacy. Now let's select section device unlock. Then let's proceed with biometrics and password. From here, go to fingerprint ID. And now let's delete my current fingerprint. I want to tap on it. And let's select option delete, confirm it. And now I want to add new fingerprint. So let's press this button, let's press add. And you want to follow the on-screen instructions and add your fingerprint. Let's tap OK. And now that you have re-registered your fingerprint, additionally, you can try to register your finger twice. So you have to register the same finger twice as two separate fingerprints. So let's press new fingerprint once again, but please, this time when you place your finger, you can see this message on your screen: this fingerprint has already been enrolled. In this case, you want to try capturing the most wide surface of your finger, if that makes sense. So it should be really wide, like this, and keep adding your finger from different angles, as I said earlier. So try to play with it. Yeah, because it gives you this message and it says some errors. Try to add your fingerprint. Okay, now let's press OK button, and as you can see, I have two different fingerprints, but actually I used the same finger for this one. Additionally, you can try removing your screen protector, because ultrasonic sensors are very sensitive to glass protectors. So you can try removing your screen protector if your problem still persists. So additionally, you can try restarting your phone to clear some temporary bugs. But if the issue continues, if the issue persists, then you have to consider performing hard reset on your device. How to do that? We have separate video on our channel, so if you don't know how to perform hard reset on this HONOR Magic8 Pro device, I have filmed previously a tutorial on this one. So I hope that after those fixes, that problem should be resolved, and if this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.